Halo kawan-kawan, selamat kembali. Okey, terima kasih kerana support channel saya. Kalau anda belum subscribe, sila tekan butang subscribe. Okay, and please comment also after you watch this video. Now, so I want to share to you my trading account. So this is my option trading account, and I want to share to you how do you earn money by trading option for some of the big cap in the US stock market, and one of the big cap company is actually Tesla. So this is all my Tesla trades, right? So far this year I have made 1 2 3 4 5 6. I've made 6 trades from Tesla. And what is my performance so far? Let me calculate. Right, so far so this is actually my realized profit, right? So that column is actually realized profit. So let's look at Tesla. So let's calculate Tesla. I have 288. So this is USD, guys. 288 plus 148 plus 112 plus 72 plus 72 plus 48 plus 48 plus 161 plus 113. So $942. So $942, that is equivalent to 3,947 ringgit, 3,947 ringgit. Now, so this is about 4,000 ringgit. So just by trading Tesla, I made 4,000 ringgit. Alright, so how do I do it? So let me show you. Basically, I'm selling put option, right? So every time you sell put option, you collect premium. So this is a premium that I collected. Say for example, right now, just illustration purposes. So let's say right now Tesla is at what's the price right now? It's about 667. Okay, something like that. So 667. So what happens is that if I sell a put, okay, below 667, I will collect a premium. Say for example, let's take this example. If I so I think this is the recent trade, right? So let's say I sell a put $500. I will collect a premium, right? So now it's about 667. So I sell a put at $500, right? So it's more than 20%, right? Below the current share price. If the share price didn't drop below $500 by the expiration date. So now the expiration date is 17 September 2021. If the sorry, not this one. So it's actually this one, 17 June 2022. If by 17 June 2022 the share price did not drop below $500, I will collect the full premium. But because I'm doing a short-term trading, so anytime when I see some positive appreciation, or let's say in this case it's $113, I will actually close the trade and I will immediately pocket this as a realized profit. Okay, so take notes, guys. When you sell the put, you collect premium. There can also be a potential scenario where the share price keep on dropping below $500 and you need to buy the share. So in this case, I do not want to buy the share, therefore I just collect the premium and I buy back the put and I just pocket $113 in this case, as a realized profit. Okay guys, so I hope you learned something. So till next time, please subscribe, comment, and please like this uh, video just to give us some support. Alright, thank you very much. Bye bye.